version 2.0 trimmer. The use of advanced brushless motor and again optimized battery, no motor burn, more power, longer life, lighter weight, extended life to 10 years. Exclusive upgrade to a thicker 40-tooth circular saw blade, easier to cut, more robust. Flat blade extended to 8.2 inches, 86.7% more efficient, weighing only 3.3 pounds, more suitable for the elderly or women to use. First put the black nut on the motor end and snap it, then put the blade. Finally install and fix the two silver nuts with a tool. Please pay attention to the direction of the nut and the blade when installing. Please pay special attention to the fact that due to the fast rotation speed of this product, you must use the tool to tighten the two silver nuts at the end to start the tool.
Accessories in this little bag. So you got a whole bunch of little screws and trimmer parts and oh, cool! It comes with a some regular blades on that. Pretty neat. And it comes with some actual blades. So yeah, this is like a kind of like a lawnmower device. So this is the base plate. Okay, and your handle. I'll just peel this piece off. Looks like that's protecting that metal shaft for you. And then it's expandable. That's really cool. That is actually a really neat feature on this. Okay. Let's get the battery charging. So we'll plug that in here. One of the batteries charging. So that's pretty cool. So that's your little battery charger. Tell you how much how's it going, and I guess when it's green it will be completely done. So this is your handle that we're going to put on the shaft up here. So it looks like we have to basically unwind that completely. There's a little nut on there. Then we'll put that handle piece in. We'll push it down a little bit harder. So it gets past that. We got some leverage on my leg here. All right, so that is your arm. I'll put that little nut in here on this side. So that's neat. So that's adjustable as well. So you can slide it up and down the shaft. All right, then you got your guard here that goes down here on the bottom. And then it looks like it's looking for a single screw here at the bottom. So let's look for that in a bag of parts here. And that looks like that's going to tighten down your blade for you. And this is going to be your trim guard. So we'll mount that up here. And just kind of stretch it across to its two little footings on the other side. So you can kind of see that. That's cool. So you don't get too close to something. I think we should put the bolt on that. All right, let's extend this out so I can maneuver this a little bit easier. And then let's get all these little pieces out and see what we got. All right, so this is going to be one of the, there's a front bolt spot here. And it looks like there's another spot back here to tighten that down on. And we're going to use our handy dandy Leatherman to get my screwdriver out so we can tighten that down. All right, so that's going in pretty easy. And we'll tighten this end down. Okay, so that goes like that, and it looks like you have like these two pressure fittings that are gonna like slide down. Actually, it's got a little ridge, so that little ridge is gonna sit down on that bottom part, and then this is going to be your tightening cog that goes down on top. We're going to open one of these blades, and these things are probably super sharp, so be like super careful putting them in there. And it comes in a 2-pack, so I want to see something on here real quick if it's so we'll put that like that, and then this is going to tighten that part down. And just be careful because this is super sharp. And so we got the second wrench under here, this one on top, and give it a nice good tightening, and then we are good to go. So that's that. And like I said, you have your guards, so it's going to give you about that much clearance to kind of give you an idea of how that works. And let's put that down on the table. And I think we might have enough charge in here for a demo. So we are going to disconnect the battery. Oh. All right, so we'll connect other battery for charging. And we will slide our battery in here. Snaps in place, and then that is our, let's check the rotation. So give you an idea. So the blade part, you can see the blade that's on that side. And then that's it. All right, let's go outside and we'll do a quick demo and we'll see how it works, and we'll be right back. All right, so again, this does move up out of your way, but be very careful. This is very dangerous. So you can put it down, and that's going to give you a barrier, and it'll give you the blade height difference of probably about like 2 inches. Or if you have some taller stuff like we're going to go through, I'm going to leave this this guard up actually, so we can cut through it. But this is designed for where you have an area where you're not going to bring a lawnmower, obviously because of all the rocks and stuff, but we can use like a trimmer like this. All right, so. So, did a pretty good job with that. And remember, you can also put one of the saw blades on there, and you can actually cut through like really small saplings and stuff if this blade's not cutting through that. But other than that, Brian from Garage Hall. What a great little, I guess, lawnmower. Be safe out there.